Hey, Rainbow here, and welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe if you like the content. You've probably seen some other stuff, but let's talk about something today that I don't think it ever really gets talked about, and it's about being consistent in how you feel on your motorcycle each time you get on the bike. Let's go over it. All right, so there's one thing about professional athletes, and that is they are consistent. Anyone who is good at anything, they're good over the long haul because they are very consistent. And being consistent in life is actually a pretty darn good thing too. So here's what I'm talking about, and I'm sure that some of you might have these. All right, it's, do you feel exactly the same every time you get on your motorcycle? That's a question. Now, I want you to think about that, and I'll use myself as an example to kind of get the ball rolling here. So, most of the time when I get on the bike, I just feel normal and everything is good and I feel comfortable and confident. And there are some days when I get on the bike when I kind of feel like the bike and I are intertwined and we're one. And there are other times on occasion that I'll get on a motorcycle and just feel kind of off, the positioning, maybe a little jerky, not as smooth, for some reason, a little lack of confidence, but you just don't feel like you can do what you do normally, or especially what you do when you feel like one with the bike. Now, this is nothing new to me, and I know that I have spoken to other people who say, yeah, this happens to me. But another example with me is, up until about 2 years ago, I ref ice hockey, okay? And there are regular days where you get on the ice, you skate, and to be a referee, you have to be at a certain level of ice skating ability. But there are some days when I would get on the ice and I just felt like I was just one with my skates. Like it wouldn't matter if I was on skates or just walking. I just felt really comfortable and good and smooth. And of course, there were those days when I got out on the ice and I was like, what is different? Something you don't feel like you're one with the skates. So that translates to the motorcycle too. So there are many times when I will hop on the bike and just feel fantastic. I feel really good. I feel solid. I just feel so smooth, like everything is great. And then other times it just, again, like a little choppy and so on and so forth. But this just doesn't happen to us. This happens, like I talked about earlier, to professional athletes. There are days when you can have all the exact settings and the tires exactly the same. When some of these MotoGP riders go out on Valencia, and on Saturday they feel fantastic. On Sunday, nothing's changed, but they're off a little bit. So you know what I'm talking about? So here's the question. Does this happen to you? Do you ever feel like that? Do you ever feel like you're just off every now and then when you get on a bike? And if you have felt that, which I'm going to be honest, I think that almost everyone is going to say, yeah, they have those days. What's the difference? Is it a psychological difference? Is it a physical difference? Are you maybe sore? Did you work out? You have a sore neck and then you just don't feel as comfortable? What is it? Like, what changes with us? You know, is it a combination of a little bit on the mental side and a little bit on the physical side? Is it one or the other? Let's have a discussion about it. Let's talk about it, all right? So please comment below, and always remember, please like, please subscribe. This is Rainbow. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.
At least it don't hurt. Yeah!